Symbud Presiden jangka seng BJP ke Jelam Meghalaya Bernard Marak minta kasngi ulah Kynnoh persya ba ke don ke Jingleh Bakla ke bajur ha ke bayadai bat ke Jingpyntreikam ya ke Skhim bai bam temen bat kumju wat ya ki Skhim ki badan ya ki Skhim jang ki badan jingduna ke dekat met jang ki hapok kene ke Jela Marak lo ong ba ki beriu kim shemla yo ela ki jang ki hok bat ya kene dairu ban pensange no shwa na ke benta ke Jingpyntreikam jang ki hi ulah kinturu ya ke sorkar Jela bakan tuklar no mardor daladi ha ka bayadai bat kini ki Jingleh bat bakan penbaik no ru ya ki Jing Bakla na ka benta ka bha kamiat bat ka Jingpyntreikam jong ki teman ki kro bat kumjo ru jong ki beriu ki bran jingduna ha ki dekat met jong ki
people, the beneficiaries are not getting the due amounts. Like today, in some cases, we have come to know that the name, the picture is of that particular person, but the account number is of another person. So it can be counted as corruption only, because earlier they were getting the money, now they are not getting the money. So it has gone to that extent that even the old age and the disabled are being victimized. So you can understand the manner of corruption that is prevailing in the state.